Hello again, Kevin Culp, PM Head of Cloud Management Software here at Supermicro, continuing our podcast on deploying SCC in a bare metal host environment in air gap mode. So we completed the sixth and final stage of our installation that was successful. We can scroll up here and take a look at various different things here. You can see here that it's been executing a number of things here to set up our environment here with regards to installing our submodules through an Ansible script methodology or playbook. And continuing on and pulling some dependencies that exist within our environment from the installer itself, and continuing on in the final stage of setting up our net translation and rerouting IP tables here, specifically, so on and so forth. So let's look at option number 7, show system information, which will be useful if you're troubleshooting and trying to get an idea of different things that are in your environment. So you can see here that we provide you with the web location that you can cut and paste into the web browser. And then we also provide the web version we're running is 3.92. It's actually a build that is eventually going to make its way into a 3.10 release, which will be available at the end of the month as a production build. And then other information in regards to CPU cores, amounts of threads, the total memory size in this system, our operating system version, our various different file systems that exist here, and the various different NIC lists that we provide within this particular bare metal host. So I think at this point we're ready to connect into the web. So what I'll do is I'll close this option here. We'll quit out of here, and we'll go ahead and connect into the web container. So let's minimize that, and we'll pull over, drag over, which I've plugged into my web browser here, our web container. You can see here that this is our landing page, which we come in to authenticate users. This is a first time setup, so we'll be authenticating against global admin. So you're going to plug in the global admin account. You can see here we're running version 3.92. So let's log into the landing pad. You don't have any options here for AD or Keycloak because we haven't set it up within the configuration. It's a first time setup. So we're coming in as local user, which is global admin. Remember that password you set for PODM, you're going to plug it in here, which is our password. And let me plug it in here. And then you'll basically be thrown directly into the main dashboard itself, right? So we haven't set up any of the monitoring host within the configuration yet. So most of the stuff you'll see blank until you actually start configuring your SuperCloud Composer environment to monitor and alert against hosts. We'll see the various different menu options here. These are grayed out because, again, we don't have any keys that we have actually established within the environment. So there you would once continue on and set up your license keys for your SDDC license for each compute host that's enforced there, and then it should open up these menu options for you. You can see here the cooling infrastructure. Those are also grayed out as well until you actually turn on the advanced key licenses for you. So if you don't have any monitored hosts, to monitor this particular screen is basically useless to you, right? I mean, the whole intent here is to provide lifecycle management for your platform from day 0 through day 1 and day 2 operations. And so this is going to be the utility or tool set that you use to monitor data center operations within your enterprise. Okay, so let's see if we have some time to continue on with the podcast of looking at the K8's cluster itself. And we'll basically show you that in the next particular series of video clips, a little bit on troubleshooting and looking at the K8's cluster under Kubernetes for K9s. This completes this particular video clip. Thanks for joining today. We'll see you on the other side. Have a great day.